This is the way I've always known West Indian curry chicken, not chicken curry. Seasoned to the bone, cooked off with fresh spices, and simmered until it's rich and chock full of flavor. Let me show you how it's done. We're using skinless chicken legs here because they have more flavor and won't dry out like a chicken breast. Cut the drumsticks and thighs in half, and then we want to clean our pieces, partially to remove any shattered bone fragments. A small step, but it makes a difference. Then we season it to the bone. Salt well, add a few tablespoons of green seasoning, my recipe can be found here, and a generous amount of curry powder. My homemade curry powder recipe is also available here. Mix well and let this marinate for at least 24 hours in the fridge so the flavors have time to meld. Now we can build our layers of deep, rich flavors. Sauté onions until translucent, then add garlic and ginger until fragrant. We'll then fry off more curry powder for a minute or two to wake up the spices and deepen the flavor. Then in goes the chicken. We want to get some color on this, so we'll turn up the temperature and let it cook off for 5 or so minutes, rotating our pieces as we go. We'll then deglaze the bottom of our pot with water. I'm using a wooden spoon because it works great at scraping all that flavor from the bottom of the pan without damaging it. We'll add a can of coconut milk, top up with water till we're just barely covering our chicken, and turn the temperature down to a simmer. 15 minutes later, we'll add in our chunks of potatoes. Now we let it simmer low and slow until the chicken is tender, a knife easily goes through our potatoes, and the sauce is rich. This may take about 25 to 35 minutes. If you'd prefer a thicker sauce, you can make a cornstarch slurry by mixing cornstarch with a bit of water and stirring it in towards the end. Now this is West Indian comfort food at its best. Flavorful, hearty, and made to be shared. Serve it with rice or roti, and you've got a meal that hits every time.